Alright, hey yo, it's Lowina Blackman here. This week there is yet another publicly traded corporation called Square just bought $50 million worth of Bitcoin, around 4,700 BTC. I will keep posting bigger news like this about which rich and famous people bought Bitcoin or which big giant listed company has bought Bitcoin until one day that pretty much all companies should have some Bitcoin reserve as they have their cash reserve. Now, when people ask why the rich is getting richer, the poor is getting poorer, this is why. It is because the rich mindsets are constantly researching to find new way to get richer, and they take the risk to do it. They take massive actions to actually investing a portion of their wealth, the real money, into new assets, and then they have a patience to wait for the time frame that they have set from their money strategy, their plan. They have their entry points and they have the exit plan. Rich people value their time and money, so they will hire a team of great professionals to help them save time and money. They will have a great accountant, business mentor, money coach, personal trainer, doctors, nutritionists, or health coach that they trust to educate them on every aspect of life. That will save them more time and money by investing in themselves. Abundance mindset is to keep expanding their money awareness, keep exploring new ways to protect their wealth, preserve their wealth, increase their income, and grow more money as many streams of sources as possible coming in multiple directions coming in, and not just rely on a job or one single income or one business. While people have the lack mentality, may focus on why they don't get a pay rise or why the government not helping their industry. You see, when you focus on the problem or why the problem, you will get exactly that. And this is why I am super passionate to educate people to consciously create money through their passions, monetize your talent so you can less dependent on the matrix. So if you haven't done so already, please join my free Conscious Money Creators Facebook group. We'll have a 3-day abundance challenge on 19th to 21st of October. We will do some live meditation on money, money energy healing, unblock your money baggage, bust money fear, and share some tools to move you towards a life of abundance. Alright, back to this news about Square. I like Square because the CEO Jack Dorsey, which is also the CEO of Twitter, are a massive fan of Bitcoin to the point that he even made Bitcoin emoji on Twitter. So he wanna widespread to billions of Twitter users. He is already a Bitcoin billionaire, and I was surprised that Square wasn't the first company to buy Bitcoin as their reserve. But MicroStrategy bought 425 millions of Bitcoin last month. My guess is that maybe Jack has to convince the board members and wait for the last guy to sign the legal document. So Squares believes that cryptocurrency is an instrument of economic empowerment and provides a way for the world to participate in a global monetary system which aligns with the company's purpose. On Thursday, they announced it when they were buying 1% of the company's total asset at the end of Q2 2020, which is that $50 million. They said, we believe that Bitcoin has the potential to be a more ubiquitous, I can't say the word, currency in the future. As it grows in adoption, we intend to learn and participate in a disciplined way. For a company that is building products based on a more inclusive future, this investment is a step on that journey. If you just look at the price of Bitcoin just from this year, earlier this year it was about $7,000, although it has ups and downs. But right now it's still sitting at 10 grand or actually 11 this morning. So even if you just bought it January this year, you're up by 30% already. And if you're lucky enough and really did buy the dip in March when the pandemic happened, which most people did not because it was a scary time, your money will be up double already since March till now. And the CEO of Square founder, Jack Dorsey, he said he is advocate of the digital currency, saying that in 2018, the cryptocurrency will eventually become the world's single currency. I'm not sure about this one yet. There's many things like government will want to ban it. However, the founder of Twitter said it could take as long as a decade. So yeah, that's one big news for Bitcoin adoption for this week. Fundamentally, the whole blockchain industry is blooming and doing the innovation behind the scene, but not quite reflecting to the price yet. By the time Bitcoin price reach back to the all-time high, which is 20K, people may FUD or FOMO in, which means fear, uncertainty and doubt, or fear of missing out. Most people lose money because they have not been educated on this subject and prepare for it. I am about 80% finishing my Bitcoin 101 ebook. I might open up a small spot to run beta pilot classes by the end of this month for a few weeks. Because more and more of my clients are asking the same questions, it will be beneficial if we can learn it together. Hey guys, thank you for listening. Have a good, wonderful rest of the weekend. And if you want, I can put the white paper of how Square did this for the link for people to want to read more. Alright, okay, bye bye. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and blah blah blah.